Good morning, dear students. Next part in the revision session is fourth main, that is answer the following questions in two or three sentences each. In the previous video, we had discussed about fill in the blanks, match the following, 1 mark questions, and I had given the say true or false as homework assignment. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the 2 marks questions and the 3 marks questions along with that 1 map work. So to begin with the first question, what are sand dunes? When a sand is carried or blew from one place to another place due to strong winds, it forms hills of a shape of an hill with this sand known as sand dunes. I repeat, when a sand is carried or blew from one place to another place due to the blueness of the blow of the strong winds, it forms hills of sand known as sand dunes. Second question, what is communication? Communication is an act of sharing information of one's thought of information with the other people. Next, third one, give the meaning of antibiotics. Antibiotics are nothing but they refers to a medicine, kind of medicine that prevents, the protects and destroys the growth of small organism or the microorganism that causes diseases in our body. First was what are sand dunes. Second one is what is communication. Third one give the meaning of antibiotics. Fourth one, write any two uses of natural resources. The two uses of natural resources are soil is one kind of natural resources. So it is used for what? It is used for growing the crops. So students, in this write any two uses of natural resources. You should mention only the two. Need not to explain further. Water is used for cooking, drinking, cleaning, etc. Like this, you need to write the uses of natural resource. Any two natural resources: soil, air, water, land, plants, animals, water, etc. Like this, any two natural resources. What do you mean by drought? A drought is caused due to what? Due to lack of water or the rainfall. So, a drought is caused by lack of water due to very little or no rainfall for a longer period of time. That is over a 3 to 5 years. If the rain doesn't happens, then the land becomes the drought land. What is the use of kayak? Kayak is a narrow boat which is made of wood, and these will be used to catch the fish. Next, state the four types of pollution. These you all know: air, water, land, and noise pollution. So next is state the ways of disposing of waste. How do you are going to dispose or segregate the waste? Generally, we are going to dump it or fill it under the land. Burning, we burn, or compositing, making the fertilizers for the plants, like dumping, landfill, burning, composting. These are the ways of disposing of. Generally, we make the disposing of this waste. Next, say true or false. We already discussed. Let me recall once again. Polluted water is harmful for plants, animals, and humans. True. Burning of waste is one of the ways to manage waste. False. China introduced the concept of zero to the world. No. False. The earliest known form of printing on a paper was woodblock printing. Right. Penicillin was the first antiseptic discovered in the world. True. Ayurveda is a combination of healthy diet, herbs, and breathing. It's all this together we call it as Ayurveda. True. Forest prevents soil erosion. True. Riyadh is the largest city of Saudi Arabia. True. The shaking of the earth is called cyclone. No, it's a false. Huskies are used for pulling the sledges. They were using the huskies to pull the sledges. True. So, dear students, previously we saw the 2 marks question. In that, you need to write any 4 question answers for your exam, any 4 questions, but we discussed 8 out of 8. Any 4 questions, it will be asked for the exam. So, please be thorough with all the 8 questions of 2 marks. Answer the following questions in 3 to 4 lines each. First question, suggest the ways to conserve the natural resource or protect the natural resource or to save the natural resource are. The ways to conserve or protect or save the natural resources are as follows. First point, planting of trees which prevents from soil erosion. Next, to minimize the use of fossil fuels like petroleum products. Instead of that, you need to adjust to the public transportation. Next, our flora and fauna be protected. That is greenery, plants, trees, everything, our environment. Next, fourth one, usage of alternative sources of energy like solar, wind, water for generating the instead of the electricity, solar power you can use for the in case of normal electricity. Second question is explain the effects or the causes that causes due to the air pollution and the land pollution. You can mention at least two points over here. So the effects of air pollution and land pollution don't mix with together. Write it separate heading like how I've been showing in the video. So write down air pollution effects. Any 2 points. Causes asthma, cough, and skin allergies, increases the temperature of a place, air gets contaminated or polluted. Land pollution effects are soil becomes infertile, it is not infertile means the crop won't grow properly, will not grow properly due to infertile. Then effects of the plants and animals life also, and it is going to have affects the tourism activities also. Coming to the third question, what led to the evolution of writing? What made the invention of writing? Because in the earliest form of writing, it was based on what? It was based on the use of pictures, use of body expression, body language like movements of the hand, eyes, legs, and the body facial expression, signs and symbols, sounds, etc. So this could not be through this we cannot share the knowledge with each other who is of far places also away from us orally, so they couldn't record information for future generation as well, so these made them to the invention of writing. This is the answer for the third one. Fourth one, how do we check a person's body temperature with the help of a clinical thermometer? So when you are ill, we can check a person's body temperature by placing the thermometer, an instrument clinical thermometer, in the deceased or the ill person in their mouth or the under the armpit, their armpit, they are going, we can make out the armpit, we can find out the body temperature. It is used to measure the body temperature, that is clinical thermometer. It shows that a person is well or not, is okay or not, we can tell through clinical thermometer. So in these four questions, I have given for the revision sake for the four questions. But in the exam, you are supposed to write any two questions. For the two questions, you are supposed to write. So dear students, in your exam pattern, for your exam pattern social science subject, you are going to have totally 7 means. That is fill in the blanks, match the following, one word answer, two word answers, then two sentence or two word, then say true or false, then long answers, that is essay type questions. Along with that, last main will be a map work. So as you are seeing in this video, on an outline map of India, mark the location. You need to mark the locations of the following given names like Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep, Delhi, Nepal, Bangalore, Andaman and Nicobar, Highlands and Pakistan. So first here comes the Nepal. You need to mark it over here. Then Delhi, put a dot or star mark in order to mark it where you have been marked. Pakistan, Arabians towards your left hand side of the map below the Gujarat state. Next Bangalore. Next Bay of Bengal. Next Lakshadweep Islands, Andaman and Nicobar Highlands. So these are the places or the names which I have given you to mark it over on the map. So we will send you the copy of an outline map of India. Just you are supposed to locate or find out the names where it is supposed to mark over the map. Mark it in a pencil. So first one is Pakistan, Delhi, second one is Delhi, third one Nepal, Arabian Sea, next Bangalore, Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep Highlands and the Nicobar Highlands. For this you will get the 4 marks. So please don't make use of this PDF along with the PDF and this video, and please start doing practicing the revisions, listens to the audio, and please practice the map work along with the 1 mark, 2 mark, fill in the blanks, say true or false, all those things together. So all the very best students for your upcoming exam. not only the social science, including all the subjects. Thank you.